Welcome to Project Coastline. This project was basically an upgraded builder style home. It was very nice. They had some updated finishes already, but nothing near what we've done to it. For the family room feature wall, we did a 72 linear gas fireplace. Atlas made us some beautiful custom cabinets with buster and punch gold handles. Most staircases are located in the center of the home, so that acts as a feature in its own. So we wanted to do something heavy. We used stainless steel posts, stainless steel standoffs, and a nice oak railing stained to match the new bleached floors. We had to recenter the chandelier over the staircase because the builder couldn't do it. Once we did that, and you look down the staircase from the second floor, everything just kind of looks solid. It's all centered, it's symmetrical, it's beautiful. For the master ensuite shower and tub, we did a feature wall behind the freestanding bathtub. We did a nice big 30-inch flush mount rain head in the ceiling of the shower with some custom niches and a nice matte slab floor. The master featured a cathedral ceiling, which was a feature on its own. So we didn't really have to do much, minus a nice diamond feature wall we did behind the bed, kind of tailing into our beautiful new double pocket door walk-in closet with some custom millwork, again through Atlas, all backlit, and featured a center island with a quartz countertop. We made the inside of Project Coastline heavy. They've asked us to start the backyard. We're gonna make that just as heavy. Stay tuned for phase 2.